Hello guys and welcome. Today is a very nice afternoon here in Ligan City, and today we're going to be talking about the basic functions of the Hilux Conquest key fob. Okay, so first thing that most users doesn't know is that the key fob has a hidden mechanical key, so that you just slide this to the right, it's the guy here, and then pop it out. Okay. Wait, my God, it's kind of hard to do it with only one hand. Okay, so there we go. Here's the key, the mechanical key. So you use it for the glove box and the tailgate, and also the doors when your battery runs out. Okay, so you slide that back in. Okay, so first things first, let's turn off the vehicle and start outside. Okay, so you can lock and unlock the vehicle using this button here with the key fob within 3 feet from the vehicle. So it locks, unlocks, and also the key has a power saving mode. Okay, so in order to activate power saving mode, you need to press and hold the lock button, and then press the unlock button twice. So press and hold, then unlock button twice. Alright, so it's in power saving mode. Even if the key is near the vehicle, you cannot lock or unlock the door. To deactivate the power saving mode, just press any key. Okay, so you activate power saving mode to your extra key fob when you're keeping it for a long period of time, or you're carrying both the keys at the same time. You need to deactivate once. Okay, so also, when your key fob has a low battery, it automatically goes into power saving mode. Okay, so you cannot unlock the doors with the key fob, so you need the mechanical key to unlock the door. Okay, so let's activate. There, so it's in power saving. Okay, so so when you have a low battery, this simulates a low battery because it's in power saving mode. When you have a low battery, in order to start the car, okay, so you can't start the car. See, key not detected. Check key location even if the key is inside, because it's in power saving mode. In order to start the car, you need the key itself. Press the key itself. There. Press the button with the key itself in order to start the car with a low battery. Alright, so let's deactivate that. It's good. Okay, so frequently asked questions with the key fob is, when your vehicle is running, the button on the door does not work for the safety of the passengers. And also when oh my God, I'm stuttering. When you go out of the vehicle with the key, you cannot lock the car. Okay, so remember that when you're alone and when you need to lock the gate, never leave your car running. You can only lock the car with the mechanical key, but yeah, that's it. So it's not safe. I don't recommend it. So don't leave your car running, because even without the key, your car can still go anywhere unless you turn it off. Okay, so your car can go anywhere. The thief that can get in their car can go anywhere without the key. Okay, so starting the vehicle. Once you're in the vehicle and the key fob is inside, pressing the start stop button once activates accessory mode. This is for people who are planning to buy this car. Okay, so, and when you press it the second time, activates ignition. There it states ignition on. I hope you can see that. Okay, and third time it turns it off. To start the car, depress the brake and push the button. Alright. Also, when you get out of the vehicle with your key, the car would beep 3 times to remind you that you have brought the key outside the vehicle. And it would state that the vehicle is not found. Okay, so I guess I have covered everything you need to know about the key fob. And if you have any more questions, or if I have missed anything about the key, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.